Okay, so what is correct posture, ma'am?
Yeah, posture is like, Ishwar, I told you, it's like very important,
Okay,
because when we when you are coming to a posture, it's like how you sit, how you stand, how
okay,
you walk. This all plays a major role.
okay.
Okay, let us take as like, okay, a teacher, like,
Mm.
or a lecturer or a professor who's standing for so many hours.
Mm.
Just imagine, I'm taking a class of 40 minutes and I'm not standing properly. So where you are tilting you know, most of the people, they stand with tilting your pelvic anterior tilt,
Okay,
which you're not supposed to. You know, just like this stand, like, you know, just leave the
okay.
body, because I have to take a 40 minutes.
Mm.
I have
Mm.
to speak out for 40 minutes. So, you know, they just, you know, ease the muscles where that itself, you know, a place, you know, they never understand it's going to hurt them in the future. The way you sit, again, you see the techies,
Okay.
they, it's like you train them also,
Mm.
again, they just come back to the same,
Yes, same posture.
like the posture, because, you know, the way you sit, the way you stand, the way you walk, this
Okay.
all three things are very important. And like, if you are not, and I can say the way you sleep.
Okay.
Okay, so many people, you know, they just come, I got all of the sudden catch. That is never all of the sudden, that's the way you are sleeping.
Okay.
Okay, and then they come, okay, I have a back pain, so I should put the pillows under my leg and I should sleep.
Mm.
No. And I tell you, this is some more events. First, they get adapt themselves to sleep on a spring mattress and very cozy comfort mattresses and everything. And then when they just got some pains and they just come out, people has asked us to sleep on a hard surface. Now you just tell me, Ishwar, somebody who got used to sleeping on such a soft and luxurious thing can sleep on the floor,
No, they
and
cannot.
that disturb their sleep. Okay,
Exactly.
that disturbs their all the
Everything,
everything,
totally.
whole day that gets disturbed, and all the time they will be like ache. No, just like your mattress matters, the way you're sleeping matters, the way you're putting your pillows
Okay.
matters. So this is like, you know, maximum 8 to 9 hours you're on your bed,
Yes.
you're
Yes.
you're
Yeah.
spending on your bed. Just imagine if you're not sleeping properly, you're sleeping like this, like, see that, never you
Mm.
sleep in one direction. That
Yes.
is, again, you know, people says I only sleep on one side, I sleep like
Mm.
ulta,
Yes.
nenu aakentidi, nenu straight padukunnanu. No, it's
Yes.
nothing like that. It's like because you are doing something wrong, that's the reason you keep on getting early morning catches, you're getting the sprains. And you know, when they just pick up, this is like, oh, I got the sprain, that is because the way you are sleeping. Some people, they get up from their sleep and this is like, I'm very tired. You had a 9 hour sleep, why you are saying you are tired? This is like,
Okay.
all my aches are coming. Yes, because you are not sleeping in a proper way,
Okay.
because the sleep is something which you cannot. But yes, of course, the way you are sleeping, don't sleep on a, like, I still suggest, don't sleep on spring mattresses.
Okay.
I please tell you, okay, for holiday that's fine, but not on a daily routine basis. That's what I'm not even saying go and sleep on a cotton mattresses also. There are a very comfortable mattresses where you can sleep, which can keep your back very healthy.
Okay.
Okay, and the pillows, like the way you are using, don't use a big pillows, don't use small pillows or normal. How is our neck designed? The posture what the God has given us.
Yes.
So you have to sleep in that format. It's like, I to sleep without pillow, that is also not solution. You are again tilting your neck into an
Neck into
extension.
extension, yes.
See, our own body weights hurt comes on your spine.
Yes.
So that many kgs of weight you are taking on your spine. So see, that again, that is exactly the posture, how you're sleeping, how you're sitting, how you're standing, how you're walking. So posture plays every role. And
Okay.
like, okay, if you want to, like, you see girls, they wear such a high heels and they carry they don't have any problem.
Mm.
So this is like, oh, you are wearing such a pointed heels, that's the reason you must have got. No, there are so many Of course, I have seen, if you go to the Western countries, they're very comfortable with the knees and with the hips and everything.
Okay.
Because though you're wearing all those also, you can carry yourself, means they maintain their posture properly.
Okay.
But what if I'm wearing even of like a normal this thing and I'm not carrying my posture? Definitely it hurt my knees, it hurt my hip, it hurt my back.
Yes.
Small tilting also, we don't realize, small tilting also will deviate your spine.
Okay.
So that's how the posture plays a very important role. And I like, again it says like more keep yourself with some more the activity. You can pick up a swimming, you can pick up like cycling, you can pick up like some basketball or like tennis or squash. Just pick up one sport and put into your life. If you're not able to do that, get on a treadmill and do that.
Okay.
At least that activity is needed,
Okay.
very much needed for us.
So, ma'am, what is the difference between physiotherapy and rehabilitation?
It's not a difference. They're same. You are asking about like what is Mridula and what is Cody Park.
Yeah, that's what.
That's the same.
Same.
Same. It's about, see, that's what I'm saying. Rehabilitation, it's a very big, like, you have to deal with like what is an occupational therapy. People who don't speak.
Yes.
So for them, there is small coordinations. They can't put say their things properly.
Yes.
They just lost the coordination. You know, we have to understand when this patient comes. That's the reason. There is no difference. It's a part of the name. That's it. So it's like speech therapists are there. They train you with that. There is like orthosis and prosthesis where we discuss where we have to do with your accidents, and like when you give it a positioning, just take it normal, you know, with the space bar you use it on your computer.
Yes.
This also I need to give you an orthosis, like with the I have to. Yeah, because when you're not listening, what I have to do it? That is option, I left it.
Yes.
Right? Otherwise, you have to take a steroids, otherwise you have to take a cast, otherwise you have to, you know, or they may go for a minor OTs also. So, you know, the small things, when they just come, we have to stabilize them with our orthosis. That is the reason. Physio is a part of, everything is a part of rehabilitation. Rehabilitation is like completely a big, and nowadays people are very much aware and they know, okay fine, this is a problem whom we have to pick up. So this is like a big subject. There's like, there's no difference. It's the same. Rehabilitation, physio, everything is the same. That's the reason when we started first our talk, it's like I started where we play our roles. That's the reason I told you about even a subject like a gynec, where, you know, people now, the girls, the young girls, they are more conscious about their antenatal.
Okay.
And they are more conscious about their pelvic exercises. They do come, they talk to me. We need it, like we don't want any back pains during our pregnancies. They talk to me like and like that's a fact. With the girls having so much of an awareness, what our grandmothers used to tell us, and really they are coming. You can see, you don't even make out them, the way they like.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
Yeah, they come back. You don't even know she's a mother of a children.
Yes. Exactly.
So that is all depends upon their the likings, like they want the consciousness. So that's the reason I says like we cannot only just do the fractures, we cannot like only do the paralysis. No, it's now a big. And coming to, I can tell you, there is a lot of talking about a mental health.
Okay.
That is also takes, we have a very big huge books to study also when we were studying. I say that because it's about your mental health also, like, you know, sometimes they say like, oh, she just have a psychosomatic pain. They might not be. So first we have to, and if it is there, why it is.
Yes.
Why the patient is having a psychosomatic pain? What is bothering the patient? You know, and we don't know, because the whole day we deal with so many people. Somewhere things take our subconscious mind.
Yes.
And it is nothing like, it's always good to talk about your mental fears, mental health. And I honestly believe, you know, mental strength is something more powerful, you know, to fight with any diseases. Like that is like, if you're mentally strong, I'm seriously telling, they can fight with any disease. If you're mentally low, it's very difficult to even, you know, for like our consultants put so much efforts to, you know, recover the patient. But, you know, when we don't you know, psychologically pick them up, oh, this is the thing, you know, you have to talk about this with the patient, you know, you understand that, Like when I think even if you can understand that, anybody can understand it. This is a normal thing.
Yes.
You have to pick that and you just have to talk about that, because you know they have those fears. Oh, if I talk, I'm judged. That is how it's been. So it's let her take it on a positively. Okay, fine. That's very open to talk about it. So that is again a part of a rehabilitation. So that's what I'm saying. It's like you ask me what is the difference. It's nothing. It's like my name.
Yes.
It's same.
Thank you so much for your
Thank you.
valuable time. I think you have given the best options to everybody. Like
Thank
like
you.
very good valuable information. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.
సో వ్యూవర్స్ చూసారు కదా, మొత్తానికి ఏంటంటే ఇవి కనుక మనం పాటిస్తే డెఫినెట్గా మనం హెల్తీగా ఉండొచ్చు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఇలాంటి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ వీడియోస్ కోసం తప్పకుండా మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.